Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset camera settings on OPPO A18. So if your OPPO A18 camera acting weird, such as blurry photos or wrong settings, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your camera settings in just a few taps. So you can just open the camera app first on your OPPO device, tap on camera, and then you can just tap on the gear icon or the three-line menu at the top right corner to open the settings. Here, tap on more settings, and then you can just scroll down of the settings on your camera until you find the reset options or restore default settings. Now you can just tap it and you can just tap on confirm to reset the reset when prompted. And after that, your camera is now back to the factory settings like it was brand new. But if you still get a blurry photos, you can try cleaning the lens or switch to pro mode by going to the more options and tap on pro. In here, for more custom shots, you can see you can adjust the ISO, the autofocus, and the white balance. Don't forget to also check if there are any pending system updates. You can also try to go to the camera settings on the phone settings. Here you can just go to apps and click on the camera applications. Here you can try to force stop from this, or you can also go to the storage and cache and tap on clear cache or clear storage if needed. So that will also reset your camera in your OPPO device. And so there are two methods that you can do to reset the camera settings on OPPO devices. You can do it directly on the camera apps, or you can also do it on the settings on your phone. So that's it, super quick, right? And if this video helped you, you can hit like, subscribe for more tips, and comment below if you want a full camera setting walkthrough. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.